When it comes to you again as a Zulu queen, it's quite easy because I'm also a Zulu. But also I like that question because it is a challenge. You can't rob people when they sit there and suddenly they feel that that's not us. But to deal with that, I suddenly realized that I can tell the story of Tsonga, but towards the end, borrow a fairy tale from Ghana because we're all in Africa. So that's what I'm doing as I tell the story, you know.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm very glad to know that, and I'm really happy. I've learned a lot from you. Since in the morning that I've been with you, I've learned a lot from you. I'm very, very happy, and I'm really inspired. You have challenged me that, and I'm promising that about our culture, the Tsonga culture, I'll promise that I will assist you. Whatever you need, I'm just phone call away. Just call me and ask me. I promise to assist. The other question I have for you is what